Welcome to World Internet Billionaires. I believe the very powerful information that I'm handing over to you today will 100x your life minimum this year. So please listen to me attentively. One day in the past, I sat down in my private office and I was thinking, why would people pay and be traveling to Grand Canyon yearly event, 10x growth events in USA every blessed year? Because I know a whole lot of people that have been going there quiet for so many years. Why are they going? These people are looking for something, and I'm going to tell you at the end of this episode. There was a time Nigerian billionaire entrepreneur Akin Alabi organized a particular seminar in Lekki, Lagos, Nigerian country, and the ticket was $2,000. Surprisingly, they sold off everything within a week. $2,000 per head ticket inside the Nigerian country. You see, want to hear another thing? One day I came across Bronson Russell yearly mastermind program, and I got to know that people used to pay up to $130,000 for them to access Bronson Russell on a yearly basis. $130,000 yearly. Can you sacrifice the same to access the right information? So when it comes to the internet, remember the name of the internet, ICT, Information, Communications and Technology. So only thing you need to prosper in your life is the right information. The only thing you need to succeed in your life and fulfill your purpose, achieve your internet money dream, are the right information. You understand me? A whole lot of people used to pay me yearly for them to learn from me about high income skills and the most reliable businesses on the internet now. I'm talking about the yearly trend. Why are they paying me yearly? They wanted to access the right information. So the right information is all you need for you to prosper in your life. I believe you are here because you are interested in online business, the business that will help you achieve your internet money dream and fulfill your purpose in this wonderful generation. My name is O.S. Jeremiah, ICT analyst from Nigerian country. I started internet entrepreneur journey in year 2007. Calculate the experience, the year, the period by yourself. So if you are here for the real business and you don't want to suffer on the internet, you are looking for the very powerful information that will 10x your life. I'm talking about the very powerful information from the latest high income skills and the most reliable businesses on the internet as I'm recording now, because every blessed week I have international team for this project why I'm leading them every week, and I used to update the latest trend, the most reliable high income skills. We update everything from our programming department in Pretoria, South Africa every blessed week. So that means this international platform is where you need to be on a yearly basis for you to achieve whatever be your internet money dream, prosper and fulfill your purpose in this wonderful generation. So if you are here for the real business and you don't want to be in other platform, because other platform used to charge you medium high tickets one by one for over 100 highly profitable businesses inside World Billionaire, but here we don't charge you one by one. We give you access into everything, and no matter how your learning format, you understand me? Because from my over a decade of experience, nearly 2 decades now, a whole lot of people will say, Mr. Jeremiah, my own learning format is audio. I don't like to be reading. I don't like to be. Some people, imagine. That's why the fact that video is the most popular format in the entire world. A whole lot of people don't like to learn through the video format. Some don't like to read. But congratulations, in World Internet Billionaires International Entrepreneurship website, we get you covered. Whether your own learning format is audio, we have audio room inside, and you're going to access the most trending businesses on the internet there, the latest income skills, everything is there. If your own learning format is copy, reading, we have copy room, learning room, reading room, where you're going to be reading whatever. I'm talking about the summarize of the greatest entrepreneurship books from my over a decade of experience, nearly 2 decades now, not only from me and other billionaire entrepreneurs in the entire world. You're going to access everything. If your own learning format is audio, we get you covered inside. If your own is video, you like watching, you like seeing something live, you're going to access everything inside the video room. So we have different kind of rooms, and we have different kind of rooms inside with different formats, and we cover the entire learning format. People so much cherish in this latest technology generation. And at the same time, if you are looking for an opportunity, you have friend, family, people in your church, mosque, whatever, people are there all over the world. The world population is over 8 billion now. So you wanted to be helping us, you want this website to circulate globally and succeed. So you wanted to help us make this website go global. We have information inside. We call this revenue sharing program. People used to call it affiliate at times, where you will just refer your friend, family, relative, whatever, without costing you anything. And when they get there, we appreciate you with minimum of 50%. We used to appreciate you once every week and we pay you 50% per whatever you send into our website. But we want this project to succeed globally. We cannot do it alone. So we use that money for the millions of expenses campaigns we run on a monthly basis. So you can now see how beautiful what internet billionaire are. Other website will be charging you to access all these high income skills or latest online businesses one by one that are inside, over 100 already inside. Other website will be charging one by one, but in what internet billionaire will give you access into everything. Please, if you want me to be explain this, we will spend 1 hour in this episode. So please, let's round off this wonderful episode and focus on what really matter. So I want to know the fact that today, if you can take this action, I believe your life will never ever be the same at the end of this year. So if you are here for the real business and you wanted to access the right information, you wanted to be thinking like a billionaire as from today, click whatever link below or around this video and you are going to access World Internet Billionaire International Entrepreneurship Learning website immediately. See you inside the International Learning Room.